Welcome back to the Like-Minded Investor, investing that makes sense. In this video and the next several videos, we're getting into fundamental analysis. All right, in this video, I'm just briefly going over two websites that they're the starting point. Okay, I will go into a deeper dive with Yahoo Finance because there's so much information there, so many different varieties of things that you can search and look for within that website. All right, first thing is first, Forex Factory. Okay, for quite a while and still right now, as of this moment in time, the entire world and all currencies run off of the United States dollar. Okay, it's the way it's been for a while. It's the way it's continuing to be as of right now. So, Forex Factory not only follows US economy and the US dollar, but as you can see here, all major currencies, right? This tracks all of the meetings within the world's economies. All right. If you look here, the euro, Spanish unemployment rate, the euro, Italian 10-year bond auction, right? You go to the US, you got GDP, unemployment. All right. Now, if you go to calendar, this gives you the entire week. If you go to filter over here, this is what I do. You don't have to. These go in order of importancy. Okay, so red is very important. This is pretty important, so on, so on. I just click these off. You can edit this however you would like, really. You could follow one thing, you could follow everything. I apply filter, and now I just get notified with the orange and the reds. And if you look, this is quite a few of those, okay? We'll go to next week. Same thing. Look at all these reds. All right. But it's good. You click here, it'll give you the source, measures, usual effects, frequency, the next release date. And then after the meeting is had, you can come back here, click on that folder, and get the information that was had or released within that meeting. Right. This is a um, very good website just to follow. Again, not only our currency and what's going on in our economy. If you're from the United States, I say our, um, but also all the other major players within the finance world. All right. Next is Yahoo Finance. This is going to be a brief one, guys, because I'm going into a deep dive on this website later. All right. This is a good news source. I don't really follow news that much. I do, but I take in the information and go about my day. Right. I don't sit on news websites looking, waiting, hoping, wishing, none of that. Dreading, none of that. All right. So mainly for Yahoo Finance, I use this for research in companies. All right. If you go here to the search bar, you can literally look at everything. Since Meta just popped up, we're just going to pop in there. Okay. Hit Meta. On the initial page, gives you basic information, what it's trading at. You can see the numbers are moving as we speak. All right. The open up the previous day, the open, what the bids are, the ask, the daily range, 52-week range. Um, I mean, everything. Earnings dates. If you had dividends, they're here. Now, this ex dividend date, very important. A lot of people don't know. You need to enter a stock by the date that's posted here. Obviously, Meta does not give out dividends, but on the dividends one, the X date is when you need to have purchased the stock and been a holder by for you to initiate the quarterly earnings. Most of them are quarterly. Anyway, we got a financial tab over here. This is the one we're going to deep dive on. All right. You can go in here, income, balance sheet, cash flows, annually, quarterly. There's a bunch of different stuff in here. Historical data. These websites are tools. All right. These tools are very important to investing. You don't just hear about the next big stock or crypto that's going to take off and dump your money in there. That's not what we do here. Okay. Nothing explodes overnight. Even if it explodes, you wait for that pullback, then you enter the market, and then you capitalize. That is what I'm here to teach you, and that's the journey we're going to go on. I'm very excited again to be here to help educate the world for anyone who wants to listen and get involved in this space. I'm truly blessed to be here and had learned this and now to share it with you guys. If you got any value, like, comment, subscribe, please share with some friends, trying to grow this community and educate the world as much as possible. I'll see you guys in the next video.